Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and we're not through with this bear yet. I've cropped him down. The person didn't want the whole logo used, and I completely understand it's a pretty cool logo. But what she was doing when she would delete this to get rid of this white, there's a black background there. So that didn't work. So what you could do, and I'm only going to do the nose, take your object and left click no fill and right click hairline. Let's shift click both these. I'm holding down the shift button. No fill, right hairline. I'm going to set my nudge distance on 4 inches. I'm going to grab these items and I'm going to move them out of the way 4 inches. So, well, that's too far. Let's go 2 inches. So we can put them back 2 inches and we're still 2 inches away. This is a little confusing and a little tricky. We need to take this and go no fill red hairline. Now we need to take our items back. We haven't changed them or altered them, and put them back. And then you would have to do the same thing on the eyes. Then take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that black. Now I don't know why, since it took away most of the black, it didn't fill in all the black. But we're not done yet. And that should have filled in the black because they were grouped together. But now we need to get rid of that red line. And it's more difficult than you might think. You can't just left click it. But what you can do is get your new black and move it. And really you only have to move that. And then just delete these lines. And then grab all this and move it back. And there you have a transparent nose. You would have to do the same thing for the eyes. And if you notice, my blacks are blacker than your black. Let's just see if that's a Pantone whatever color, where mine is an RGB black. So when you're engraving, you need to set it on RGB, because look at the difference in the black. Let's just see if we can't move this one over. Yours almost looks like a pale gray. So when you set your color palette, it ought to say RGB. I mean, this will work, but you'll get a little bit better engraving, I think. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.